Hello, this is Gilbert Lowe, Director of Partner Sales at Veeam Software, covering CDW, our largest partner of North America. And today I have Kevin Kaiser. What do you do at CDW, Kevin?
Hi, I'm Kevin Kaiser. I have responsibility for hybrid infrastructure at CDW, which we define as the hybrid cloud, software-defined data center, and next-generation data center platforms.
Fantastic. And this is your first VeeamON conference, right?
It is, yeah.
And you're in sunny Miami, Florida.
Beautiful Miami.
Right. And you have a great view off of your balcony in your room, right?
It's not too bad.
Not too bad.
I don't mind.
I like that. So what do you feel as a partnership? What's most strategic when you look at a partnership with Veeam?
You know, when we think about partnerships, I equate it, married man, 5 kids, right? I think about being married as a partnership, right?
Okay.
And it's all about listening. And when we sit down and we have a conversation with Veeam, it's very easy because we know what's across the table from us is somebody that's actively listening to us. Veeam does a great job of taking feedback, turning that feedback into action, and then ultimately executing against it.
Got it. Okay. And then what's most important when you're looking at new partners to bring on at CDW? What's most important to help a partner come in and grow with the CDW ecosystem?
The biggest thing out of the gate is really just to understand CDW, right? Take a few minutes just to understand how big we are, how diverse we are, and how we go to market. And if a partner is willing to dedicate that time, we feel that the return is there.
Got it. And what's made Veeam successful at CDW in your eyes?
Veeam is one of the most innovative partners in the market, and that's not just a product statement. That's a go-to-market. That's an engagement statement. It's an incentive statement. Every facet of the partnership has truly been innovative. I don't think that I've ever sat in a meeting with Veeam on, let's say, on a January 1st of one year, and then sit in the same meeting a year later, and we're talking about the same things, right? Things are always changing and evolving with Veeam and the partnership between CDW, and I think that our sellers and our architects respond to that.
Got it. And then one last question. When you think about, you go to a lot of different partner events and conferences, and you work with different alliance partners in the data center and hybrid cloud infrastructure. What really brings Veeam into the play when you're thinking about all the other partners in the data center? How does Veeam fit into that?
Well, I think Veeam has a very agnostic approach, right? It's customer first. It's always been that way. And so when I think you have that mindset of being customer first out of the gate, you just inherently lend yourself to more alliances, right? You're never fighting over a piece of territory or a geography or anything along those lines within a customer's environment. You're always looking to partner, and Veeam does a great job of that.
I like that. And one last thing. Recently we had Ratmir Timoshev come to CDW, and we were able to come in and do a lot of presentations. What did you think about that? How was that experience?
Ratmir is amazing. You and I have talked about it, and I share it with everybody that I meet. Ratmir has such an energy about him, right? He's been in this business and in the industry for so many years, but the fact that he brings so much energy every single day is really exciting. And I think it plays off into when he engages with our sellers and our architects and our executive team. Everybody just really likes to be around Ratmir. And it's that character, but also his product knowledge and his detail around what he's done over the years.
All right, well, great. Appreciate the time.
Thanks,
Kevin.
Appreciate it.
All right, this is Gilbert Lowe signing off at VeeamON. Thank you for CDW and our partnership.